In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use fireworks with Elytra on Xbox, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how easy it is for you to use firework rockets when flying with an Elytra on any version of Minecraft. So I am doing this on PC, but of course, the process is going to be exactly the same for Xbox, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. So I'm going to be presenting it in that way. So the very first thing that you will need is the Elytra. Make sure that it is equipped, and then grab some firework rockets. After you have them here, you will be able to use them with your Elytra. Each firework rocket will have its own flight duration. If you want to fly further with a single use of a firework rocket, make sure that you put as much gunpowder as you can, so 3 gunpowder in the crafting table when making these firework rockets. So once you have the firework rockets good to go, you can apply or use your Elytra by jumping and then pressing the jump button again in the air. So for the Xbox controller, you press A while in the air. You will start using the Elytra, and now while holding the firework rockets, press L2 on your controller. So either L2 or the left trigger, depending on which controller that you are using. And now you will be able to fly using your Elytra and the firework rockets. A single use of a rocket is enough to send you flying forward a lot, so don't spam them. Use one, and when you notice that you are starting to slow down, then you can go ahead and use another. Also, be careful, because if you hit a surface while flying, you can potentially die. So be careful, make small movements, and when you want to land, what I recommend is doing a circle motion like this. This will slow you down, and you will be able to land perfectly on the ground without hurting yourself. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on how to use fireworks, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.